just being neglectful. You know, it became a compromising situation after just 4 months. Hey, beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want an update on my 4-month DIY starter lock journey. Now, if this is your first time joining, welcome, and if you've been around your girl's page before, welcome back. Thank you all for watching. So for those of you who don't know, I decided to start my lock journey using 2-strand twists on naturally low density fine hair, as well as adding human hair extensions to the ends. So I just completed my retwist, which is literally the second time out of the 4 months that I have touched up my root area. Now, because I have been super neglectful of my hair, I ran into a few compromising situations that I'm going to show you right now. There is 2 locks on this side that I just didn't touch up because I wanted to show y'all what it looked like on camera. Now, this whole section is compromised at the hairline. Reason being, when I first started this journey, I did the front very, very, very fine. Now, as my hair started to grow out, the weight of the extensions, I guess, became too much, especially with me not retightening as often as I should have. So it caused a lot of breakage. But I still have my full hairline, but these little bits in the front, I just decided to twist those up on its own and not add any human hair extensions. So we're gonna see how these babies rock out. But let me go back to showing you the 2 that I wanted to show you. So in this area specifically, there was a lot of merging going on, and there was one that was literally hanging on by a thread, and I hope I didn't lose it. So I'm just going to gently oh, there we go. That's it. I lost it, y'all. This is it. Right before your very eyes. And this is the hair that it was on. It was too thin. Now, originally, you can tell that there was more hair on that base, but just being neglectful, you know, it became a compromising situation after just 4 months. So my biggest advice to you all is please make sure that you are sticking to a routine, a retightening routine, because you don't want things like this to happen. I also lost a whole lock in the back, which I want to show you what that lock looks like. One moment. This is what that lock looks like. And what's interesting is that this is a lock that I took the extensions off of. So there was no added weight. It was healthy. It was a good base, but I literally failed to retighten. I failed to retighten and I lost a lock. And this is a lot of hair, y'all. This is a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. This is strong. This is not going nowhere. This is strong. It's not popping, it's not breaking. This was completely my fault. So that is what I'm running into right now. Just trying to allow these 3 locks in the front to come along on its own without any human hair extensions. And then I have a bald spot in the back. I'm gonna just do a full 360 view for y'all, and we're gonna take it from there. So boom, this is the front, this is the 360 view of my hair at the moment. I did find myself using a 2-point rotation at some point, 3-point rotation at some point, and a 4-point rotation at others, depending on the location of the lock as well as the character of the lock itself. But for the most part, I use the 2-point rotation, and that is the method I'll be using the majority of the time moving forward, just because it's going to give me the fluff that I want, as well as the efficiency. The time efficiency was amazing. I felt like I was able to just zip through the retie process with the 2-point rotation, whereas with the 3-point rotation and the 4-point rotation, it just was way more time consuming, which, to be quite frank, I really just didn't have the time for. But I'm very satisfied with the 2-point rotation on my micro locks. While on this journey, I see so much progress in my hair. I've never seen my hair look so thick and full ever, like ever. So I'm very, very proud of my hair. I do feel like my hair is thriving, but I do know that I need to step up my hair care routine and get on a strict regimen. But this is where we're at, and I hope that this video encouraged you to just start the journey. Just start. Don't, like, come on. I know I say this every video, but seriously, don't you want to be free? Like, don't you want to be free? Don't you want to be free? Let me know if you have any concerns with starting your lock journey. If you have started and you are just so ecstatic and you can't wait and you're super excited. We are building a community, y'all. If you have any questions, any suggestions, drop it down below. I'm here to learn and grow just like you. I'm just here sharing my journey, and I'm the type of person, if it's good for me, I'm gonna wanna share that with you. Yeah, so this is good for me. This is good for me. So I'm always gonna tell people, yeah, start your lock journey, whether it's the micro locks, whether you decide to start them with 2-strand twists or not, it doesn't even matter. Just start your journey, because there's something about it that is so freeing, and it's allowing me to personally develop a healthier relationship with myself and my hair. Actually, like, I'm developing a relationship with my hair, which I didn't have before. But yeah, definitely thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting me throughout this journey. And as always, feel free to like this video, share this video. As previously mentioned, comment down below. And of course, subscribe, because we are in this together, y'all. So thank you all for watching. Deuce, y'all.